Well, buckle up, film fam, because the hulking behemoths of Hollywood, Jason Momoa and Dave Bautista, have crammed themselves into yet another testosterone-fueled romp through the realm of demolition and discord, aptly named, wait for it, the Wrecking Crew. All right, guess subtlety just took a back seat on this ride, didn't it? But then again, with these two in a movie, subtlety was never really on the table, was it? Rolling out January 28th on Prime Video, this film promises to deliver what these guys do best: wreck stuff. They fight like brothers, wreck like legends. I mean, come on, the audacity. I can't help but chuckle at that tagline. It's like they're on a mission to make me love and hate this movie at the same time. And I won't lie, this trailer has certainly piqued my interest, but more in a do I really want to see how this train wreck pans out kind of way. Now, I love a good action flick as much as the next person. I can appreciate the majestic art of a well-placed punch, the poetry in a slow-mo explosion, but the trailer for The Wrecking Crew seems like it's trying too hard to be the next big action extravaganza. I mean, when Momoa and Bautista are on screen, you're guaranteed a certain level of spectacle, but can they bring more to the table than just muscle? As for Prime Video, they sure are drumming up the hype. With their constant updates on the latest shows and movies, they're banking on The Wrecking Crew to follow the success of their hit series like The Boys, Invincible, and others. But let's be honest, originality isn't exactly the strong suit here. That being said, I can't deny the intrigue of The Wrecking Crew. It's like that car crash you can't look away from. The curiosity just eats at you. And let's face it, in this day and age of Twitter trends and viral TikToks, maybe this is exactly the type of mindless entertainment we need to get through the day. So, will the Wrecking Crew triumph as a spectacle of groundbreaking action? Or will it crumble under the weight of its own ambition, leaving us with a pile of rubble and a couple of deflated action heroes? Well, I certainly can't wait to find out, and I bet you can't either. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on the Wrecking Crew. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brutally honest reviews. Until next time, keep the popcorn popping and the opinions flowing.